Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show how to flip the videos on Adobe Premiere Pro. So for example, in this video, right, this is by default, it is just got flipped horizontal. So I'm going to make it straight actually. So how to do that? So for that, right, select your video and choose this effect and here click flip. Search for flip. You can see this transform under video effects. That is an horizontal flip. So right, this is an horizontal flip. So I'm gonna make it straight. Just click this horizontal flip and drag into your video. So yes, perfect. Now I have flipped my video horizontally. So this is the way you can do that horizontal flip or vertical flip on your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please provide comments and feedbacks in the video. Thank you. Bye.